What's up guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use Videogen AI to create videos in minutes. So here on Videogen.io, we're logged in and we have the option to generate a video. So we're going to go ahead and click on generate a video. Now you get the option to choose a template. Of course you could go with a blank, but there are other options that you could use. For example, you have TikTok Reel, the promo. However, for each style of template, you need to look at the top right corner if it's for free or if it's pro. So we're going to go ahead with the free options and we're going to select an explainer video. So right here, we're going to click on it. And right here is where we can add resources for our video. Resources such as the script. So right away, we're going to put in a script here. In this example, we're going to go over to Wikipedia, where we have the topic on irresidence. So we're going to select the first paragraph, copy it, go over to Videogen and paste it. You're going to select the script language. Currently, it has US English as the default. We're going to leave it as that. And you have the script length, very short, 50 words, or short, 150 words. So we could leave it at 50 words. And then you have the option to add media, add a website, or add a brand. After this is done, you can click on Generate Script. And right now we have Videogen creating a script for us from what we gave it already. And it's limited itself to 50 words as we also selected it. So you can see the new paragraph. And you also have the advanced options to add pauses, multiple speakers, etc. Now you have the AI narrator. Now, of course, the choice is yours and you get to select the country. Of course, we're going to leave it at US English again. The accent, we could have an Indian accent, an Australian accent, a Canadian, Nigerian, or any other option that we find available here. So we're going to select Australian, and in the quality, we can choose lifelike. And then the gender, we could have it as male. So after all of the preferences here are set, all you need to do is to select any name which represents a voice. We're going to go with the first one. After clicking on it, we can click on continue. Now you have the option to choose the aspect ratio. We're going to go with 9:16, a portrait version. Then you're going to get to choose the media libraries and the scene pacing. So when it comes to scene pacing, we can leave it at fast because it changes the scenes every 5 to 15 words. So we're going to click on generate video now. So currently you have the Videogen AI doing its thing. Now that the video is ready, we can add some post-production edits. For example, we have the voice. We could go ahead and edit it if we don't like the voice, or we could go over to music and select the type of music we want. You want to take note that, of course, this is copyright-free music, or you could go over to upload audio and upload your audio yourself. Now for the music, you have a genre you could choose. You could choose from happy, sad, calm, inspirational, energetic, dramatic. All of these options would help with the list which appears here. For example, it's currently under beats. We're going to go over to calm and we could choose the first one. And now that we've selected the music, we have the option to increase or reduce the sound level of the background music. We're going to leave it at this. And lastly, you get the captions. Now under captions, you can choose any one which you find to be good. We could leave it at simple too. And after that's done, we could listen to it one more time.
Iridescence is a captivating optical phenomenon where surfaces shift in color based on light and viewing angles.
Great. As you can see, we have our video ready. There are some other options here for editing, but we feel this is good enough. And if you'd like to make some more settings, you can go ahead and do this yourself. The next thing to do is to click on download video or export it. This could be found at the top right corner of your screen. Then you can choose the resolution. We're going to leave it at 1080p and click on download video. So now we have our video created in a few minutes using Videogen. Of course, if you want to download it, you need to upgrade your plan and you can download it in any version you want. So this is how to use Videogen.